Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. So, whole universe is being managed by God's assistant, according to the Brahma, is the most powerful assistant. Teni Brahma Rida Adikavaye Mayanti Yasuraya. In the Brahma's heart also, Teni Brahma Rida, Rida, again Rida. Because Brahma was alone, so what to do? Brahma was perplexed. But Krishna gave instruction, you create this universe like this. Buddhi yogam dadamitam. I give intelligence. So everything is there. Everything is there. Krishna is always with you. If you want to go back to home, back to Godhead, then Krishna is ready to give you all instruction. Yes, jinavam upajantiti. He gives instruction. Yes, you do like this. Then you will finish your this material business, and after giving up this body, you will come to me. But if you want to continue this material existence, then vasangsi jinnani yatha vihaya. You have to accept one body, and when it is no more usable, then you have to give up this body and accept another body. This is continuation of material existence. But if you want to end it, if you are actually disgusted with this kind of business, bhutta bhutta praliyate, take birth once, again die, again take, but we are so shameless and so rubbish that we are not very much disgusted with this business. We want to continue, and therefore Krishna is also ready, all right, to continue. That is stated in the Bhagavad. Jantrarurani maya Ishara sarvabhutana riddese arjuna tisthati brahmayan sarvabhutani jantrarurani maya. Very clear. Krishna knows your desire, that if you want still to enjoy this material world, all right, enjoy. So, for enjoying different kinds of enjoyment, we require different kinds of instrument. So, Krishna prepares you. So kind, all right, just like the father gives a toy. The child wants a motor car. All right, take a toy motor car. He wants an engine. He wants to become a railway man. Now these kinds of toys are there. Similarly, Krishna is supplying this toy body. Jantra. Jantra means machine. This is a machine. Everyone understands this is a machine. But who has supplied the machine? The machine is supplied by nature, material ingredients. But it is prepared under the order of Krishna. Mayadhakshena prakriti suyati sacharacharam. Prakriti, nature, is preparing all these things under my direction. You know, where is the difficulty to understand? Krishna consciousness. Everything is there in the Bhagavad Gita. If you diligently study and try to understand, you remain fully Krishna conscious always. Everything is there. What is my position? How I am working? How I am dying? How I am getting body? How I am wandering? Everything in detail is there. Simply one has to become a little intelligent. But we remain unintelligent rascal because we are associating with rascals. These rascal philosophers, religionists, avatar, bhagavan, swamis, yogis and kurmis, therefore we have become rascals. Satasanga chari koinu asate gila. Narottam Das Thakur therefore regrets that I gave up the association of the devotees. I simply associated these all rascals. Asat sanga. Te karone lagilo mor karma bandha pha. Therefore I have become entangled in this repetition of birth and death. Te karone. So give up this. Chanakya Pandit also said, Tajo dujjana samsargam. Give up the association of these rascals. Bhaja sadhu samagam. Always associate with devotees. This is the life. We are establishing different centers not for sense enjoyment, but for good association of devotees. If we miss this, those who are working, those who are managers of this institution, they must always know that we cannot make this institution or this center as a brothel. There must be such management and such arrangement that we must have always good association for advancement. That is it. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,